Previously on the Pacific Crest Trail.
I'm glad to be out of town. Welcome back to the vlog.
And we'll get the rest of the things that we need.
So I have way too many tortillas.
Everybody's okay?
Yep.
Can we still get in?
So, yeah, tomorrow's gonna be really great. It's like the beginning, in a way. 6 days to Acton, ready for the challenges, so yeah. Let's get it. Good night.
I come to the trail for whatever reason. It is always the same to me. The path, the blank lines of a page. My steps, my words, filling them in.
Loyal, hopeful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent over there too.
You still remember. We made it to the summit of Baden-Powell. How much is it? How many feet?
9,000 something.
9,000. Not much compared to Colorado, but I think it's one of the biggest ones in California. But it's fun, it's pretty, and there's actually snow, even though it is almost the end of June in Southern California. But that's where we're going now. It's through those mountains for the next 6 days to Acton, and then, further on.
An empty cup I ask silently. All my destinations will accept the one that's me, so I can breathe.
Asher dropped his crock, fell down from here. He got the crock. We made it to the little Jimmy campsite. We need to do 13 miles a day, and we did 12.3. So, and we climbed Mount Baden-Powell. So it was a good day today. We were considering going to the next campsite, which is 5 miles away, but it's already 4 p.m. So we'd get there kind of late for setting up camp and stuff. So we're gonna stay here. It's a nice campsite. Little Jimmy, This place is to poop, which is always a big plus. And there's like fire pits, like you can cook and stuff, and tables. So, and it's really big. So yeah, it's a nice campsite. We made it. I'm happy I actually did good today. It was my first real day that I didn't feel like absolute crap. So yeah, I can actually do this. Honestly, I think I could have done the extra 5 miles. If it was earlier, we would have tried. Still have symptoms, but feeling a lot better. physically. Still have symptoms, but yeah, we're gonna find the exact spot that we're gonna put our tents. Tonight I'm eating 2 packets of ramen and 2 packets of tuna, and it's really good. I don't really like this tuna, but after a big hike like today, I really like it. This hickory smoked flavor I do not like, but this is good. Really is hot. Made this whole thing hot. Yeah, this is good. Oh, and then my chicken ramen. You know what it is. It's good. Hello. Good, how are you? Good. How are you doing?
Good fire going here.
Yep. All my life, I've been working on flame. I've been working to make flame great. Now I make a big fire. And now he be warmed.
I'm warm. I'm actually quite toasty. The sun hasn't even set yet. Got all my layers on. But I'm prepared. This is me. Prepared. Get closer. That's me.
This isn't even zoomed yet.
This is me prepared. This is me
Oh my gosh.
prepared.
This is only the second fire I've been around on the PCT.
Same, actually. Homeless.
I'm homeless? Why?
Down off San Jacinto. I couldn't find
Gonna have to avoid these guys today. They're called poodle bush, and you've heard that they're even worse than poison ivy. You can get a pretty terrible rash from these guys. So I heard there's a lot of them today. We're gonna have to watch out.
Oh, it's a heart. See, we wouldn't be able to see this if we didn't come up here.
Another day, another mountain.
Show the clouds.
Do you have any idea what this mountain's called?
I could find out. Wait, something. Summited Mount Williamson. This is it.
What?
Are you filming me, P?
No.
Not getting a ride. Doesn't make any sense.
Now we're on the highway. This is Highway 2.
Yeah, Highway 2.
We're
walking the 2.
Because apparently the PCT in this section goes over endangered frog territory. So they closed both the trail and this road.
I think the road is closed because of rock falls, and the trail is closed because of the frogs. And so it just so happens that PCT hikers can walk the road instead of skipping this section entirely, I think.
Yeah, so like rocking the road because save the froggies! We need to save the froggies! Don't die, froggy, don't die! We got 9 long miles of this.
9? Where'd you come up with that number?
I thought that's what you said.
I said 6 or 7.
We got 6 or 7 long miles on this one here, boy. Walking the line. You know.
I'll go either direction.
You know, we've been highwaymen for some time now. Yep. You know what it is walking down the line.
His name was Cain. He had a horse along the countryside. I saw him ride. He had a gun. I knew him well. Oh, I heard him singing.
We found him.
His shirt was red. 2 shiny bullets. They found his brother dead.
Water. You need it to live. We're just starting to enter the desert. So it's getting drier and we're gonna have less sources for water. Right now, we're in a weird situation because there's been reports of water here at the beginning of the month, and we're seeing if there's still water. Asher just went up 0.1 miles to see if there's water there that was reported.
It's dry on trail, but I could hear it downstream, so I think we're okay.
You think there's water down there?
I think there's a very small trickle.
So that's what we're gonna go with.
That's good news.
We've struck water. Hey, quick in the comments, is water wet? Answer in the comments if you think water is wet.
Get the toes.
Oh,
Yeah. You know what it is.
we found a pretty legit campsite. That's where I'm about to put my tent. You dig?
I like that they have the beef flavor.
Fire sunset, whatever, dude. Today was a good day. We did about 16 miles. We got up early. We got here early. Yeah, I'm gonna actually journal for the first time. Like, I did a little tiny journal last night, but yeah, today is a good day. I really need to poop, but I don't know. I mean, hold it overnight.
Why are you telling them that?
I'm being honest. So I'm not gonna poop tonight. Maybe tomorrow though. Do you have anything else to say to the vlog tonight?
Nope.
Dang.
Look at the before and after. You know, I stay clean out here. Pretty much it.
Next up on the Pacific Crest Trail.
We just finished a 20-mile day.
Welcome to the Mojave. Yeah. And this is just how we do.
Asher hasn't taken a shower in over 2 weeks, but we're just about to this RV park / town.